Push. Sige, pakinggan natin. Ang alam ko lang po yung ano, I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unaware. Hala, natalo tayo. Ang lakas. Sige, babawi tayo, babawi tayo. Thank you. Good enough. A bit rusty and I think my head is caving in. Ma'am D, parang first time ko lang ito marinig. And I don't know if I've ever been really loved by a hand that's touched me, and I feel like something's gonna give. Jump tayo. I'm a little bit angry. Well, this ain't over. No, not here. Not while I still need you around. Good evening, guys. Oh, me. We might change it. Yeah, we just might feel good. I wanna push you around. Well, I will. I wanna push you down. Well, I will. I wanna take you for granted. I wanna take you for granted. Oh, narinig ko na siya pala. Naalala ko na. Let's go, guys! Laban tayo, Arlie, ha? Let's keep it. Ever would lie to me. Like I'm a little entrusted. Think that the hurt's gonna hurt you.
Ma-receive mo na yung ano mo, yung live.
Don't know why you couldn't just stay with me. Hello. My face don't seem to wanna shine. Cause it's a little bit dirty. Don't just stand there. Stains to me. Collect lang tayo ng collect ng win streak. I've been cheated, I've been wrong. You don't know me. Shame. Won't do anything at all. I wanna push you around. Well, I will. I wanna push you down. Well, I will. I wanna take you for granted. Hello, Lola. I wanna take you for granted. Hey. Di ba ang kulit, no? Nakakamit tayo ng mga iba't ibang, nationality. And mga kapwa natin Pinoy here in Popo. Yes. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, guys, I'm inviting you to try live as well. Thank you so much. Salamat po. And once again, guys, help me boost this stream. Manifesting fireworks. And sana makapasok po tayo ulit sa Arlie ranking. Kaya natin to, guys. Tulong-tulong lang tayo. Together as a team. Let's go to 192K. Masakit talaga na lalamunan ko. Sige, papatid ako ng food.